Hey guys, Lars Hauwert here. Welcome to this video. So, how can you make people buy from your Shopify store today? So, it's amazing to have good products, which you absolutely need. You need to have the good photography, you need to have all these important elements in place. But to make people buy today, you also need to create urgency and scarcity. So, that's what I'm going to be talking about today. So, a very powerful way to create this scarcity and urgency is to have a huge sale banner on top of every page of your website, except for the checkout page. But all the other pages, your product page, collection page, home page, cart page, should all have this big banner on top of the page that talks about a sale, potentially putting in a coupon code in this banner, and then giving a reason for this sale as well. So don't just put a random sale in there saying 15% off until the end of this week. Make sure to tie it to a reason. So, for example, right now it's almost 4th of July, so 15% off. Use the coupon July 15 or like whatever, but something that has a reason, like a summer sale or a spring sale, or can be anything. Black Friday sale, of course, if it's that time of the year. So people know that they need to create scarcity and urgency, but they tend to not know how. And this is an amazing way to do so. You see big brands do this as well, and it's not without a reason. It's because it works amazingly well. So be sure to have like a big sale banner of like a nice graphic, including some of your bestseller products. So it right away makes your whole website look like really nicely, and basically shows people your products right away that they're essentially coming for. Like typically people come from your bestsellers, of course, and then come up with a nice sale offer that entices people to buy. So you can make it a discount, you can make it like a free gift that people get, or like something else, a certain benefit that you know that your customers are going to value, right? Like free shipping and installation, can be anything as long as it has a high perceived value in your customer's minds. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if any questions in the comments. I read all the comments myself, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.